everyone. So you are currently in my car. Today's the day that I buy a vlog camera. So I'm already here. Now I'm just getting ready to go and pick it up. I already paid for it. All I need to do is just go pick it up because they don't do delivery. Let's go pick up my new camera. I got it. And now we just need to drive home.
To come back home. To come back home. Won't you come back home?
So the camera that I got is the SONY ZV-1 vlog camera with the shooting grip. Let's open it up, I guess. Alright, I'm just gonna remove the invoice first because my address is on there, and so this is what the box looks like. It's so cute. Just gonna open it up.
To come back home. To come back home. Won't you come back home? I need nothing more than you. I need nothing more than you.
So what is in here? It's the camera and the grip. I'll open the shooting grip first.
Nothing more than you. I need nothing. To come back home. To come back home. To come back home.
A hand strap and a cute little pouch. So now for the grip. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look how nice. It's so tiny. It's the size of my hand almost. Okay, the camera itself.
Look up from your telescope. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
Oh my god. Look at it. It's compact, it's super small, it fits in your pocket, literally. So this is the camera. So one thing that really made me buy it is because it has a microphone input, and I can also live stream with this camera. All right, so what do you get with your camera? A charging cable. One thing that I really liked about this camera is that you can charge it through the camera itself instead of having to take out the battery and putting it into a battery charger. So that was a good thing. And of course the battery itself, which is right here. And then it has a wind muffler, so you can use the camera without an external mic, so that's really cool. I'll just quickly adjust the settings and also charge the battery, and then I'll come back and do some test shots and show you what's up. Okay, so right now I can tell that my other camera is about to die, but yeah. So I put them in the exact same, well, not the exact same, but they're next to each other on the same height, etc. And you can already tell the difference. Like this one does not do well on low light. So right now it's like, and trust me, I did change the settings to where I am right now. So I put it brighter. It's focusing on me apparently, and then here, your girl look good. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be a day in my life as a college student vlog. So I am filming with my new camera, which is the Sony ZV-1, and we're just gonna test it out throughout the whole day. We're going to be filming a lot. That's why I decided to do a day in my life, to kind of just test everything out. So let's make breakfast. Whoa, do you see how it kind of like adjusts the lighting itself to have your face in frame properly? That's kind of cool. Anyways, so I think I'm going to make a yogurt bowl and a lemon tea. So for my yogurt bowl, I usually take this yogurt because it's so good, and normally I would just eat it with Rice Krispies alone and it would be very good, but today, where is it? Here it is. Oh my god, we have cereal flakes. Okay, that changes everything because I love cereal flakes. Okay, so it's either going to be these two or this. You know what? I'm gonna have this for lunch. So back in the closet you go.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Oh no! Y'all, my mom wants to start a YouTube channel.
Oh yes. Make sure you follow me. Click the bell and like.
Anyways, so we're going to pick up my little brother from school. Today's Wednesday, so they always have a half day at school. Today it's very cloudy and it's not very bright, so I wanted to test out how the camera reacts to this, and it looks pretty good. We're back in the car with my brother. Hi, Dixelcha. There is no water to put out the fire. Mico parece andas en Lea Maria on the corner, thinking of ways to make it better.
Later.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Girl, anyways, so I'm just gonna start cooking dinner looking this crazy, but yeah, I'm just waiting for it to dry and see how it turns out, if it looks cute or not. Probably won't look cute, but like it doesn't matter because I'm taking it out anyways. I always do this before I take out my hair. I just kind of like revamp it to see if I could do something different or a certain hairstyle will suit me, because if it doesn't, I just take it out and that's it. Like, problem solved.
Baby, it's the vibe for me. It's the vibe for me. Do you see her out there bobbing freely? Stiff wear, woo, stiff wear.
Moments later. More moments later.
What do you guys think? I actually kind of like it. It's not too bad, no? So it is currently almost 11 p.m. and I'm just kind of doing my revision on my exam tomorrow. I have an exam tomorrow which is mostly going to consist of like essay questions, and we get 3 hours for that exam. I'm not too nervous about it. I'm just worried I'm going to be all over the place with the essay question, but I think I'll be fine. I'm just gonna see like if I missed anything maybe, or if there's something that I should keep in mind tomorrow.